Bazalwane, egameni lenkosi yami Jesu Kristu, siyabonga. Kunento lemqoka lekumele ukuthi siyibuke, sikhumbutane yona in the Christian community. In our churches, siyahlabela kamnanzi, in our churches, mahle siwakhile, sigcoka kamnanzi, the praise team is singing very well, kuyashunyelwa kamnanzi, all the activities are there. But if something is missing, kushoda izwi. Lizwi ngilo leshodayo inside the church. Athe Mahubo 107:20 wathuma izwi lakhe wabaphilisa. Kushoda izwi inside the church. Because izwi ngilo leletha kuphila kulabagulayo. Izwi ngilo lelivusa lithemba kulabede lithemba. Izwi ngilo lelivula imehlo kubantu. Futhi izwi ngilo leliqinisa abantu. Kushoda izwi inside the church. That is why Jesu nakabuya uyozila. Sathane nakamconfront, Jesu wakhuluma izwi. Only thing lebakaphendula ngayo wayikhuluma izwi. We need his word inside the church. Otherwise the church is just becoming an entertainment place. Yenza lapho khona siba busy khona nje without his word. We need his word.